Hello, students. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great. Today, in this video, I am going to teach you parts of speech. Students, English words have different jobs. These jobs are called as parts of speech. हर एक वर्ड जो हम कहते हैं इन अ सेंटेंस उन सबका एक जॉब होता है, एक काम होता है, और ये जॉब क्या है वो जो हमें बताता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट एग्जैक्टली दिस मीन्स. Parts of speech are group of words. Each group tells us what job the word is doing in a sentence. Let's say an apple is a fruit. ये sentence मैंने कहा है. यहाँ पे there are two words, apple and fruit. So what are these? ये हमें क्या कह रहे हैं, ये क्या काम कर रहे हैं. तो these are telling us names. So वो क्या हो गए, noun हो गए. She is running. रनिंग अगर मैंने वर्ड लिया तो व्हाट इज़ दिस वर्ड टेलिंग अस. इट्स टेलिंग अस एक्शन, सो इट्स कॉल्ड अ वर्ब. सो जो वर्ड हम एक सेंटेंस में बोलते हैं उनका एक काम है, वो हमें कुछ काम करके दे रहे हैं, और वो काम क्या है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ parts of speech. Now in total there are 8 parts of speeches. What are they? Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So in total there are 8 parts of speeches. आपको ये लर्न करने हैं बिकॉज आपको थ्रू आउट योर स्कूल एकेडमिक्स इंग्लिश में ग्रामर में पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीचेस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, क्लियर है. देर आर टोटल 8 पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीचेस. लेट्स गो फर्दर नाउ. The first part of speech is noun. Now, what does a noun means? A noun is a naming word. What is the definition? A noun is a naming word. It names a person, place, animal or thing. किसी भी इंसान का, जगह का, एनिमल का या चीज़ का जो भी नाम होगा that is called a noun. Very easy. Remember, noun is a naming word. किसी भी चीज़ का नाम है तो it is called as a noun. See, the examples are given: boy, girl, school, park, dog, book, pen, cat, etc. So many examples are there. ठीक है. अब देर आर सम प्रैक्टिस सेंटेंसेज गिवन हियर. यू टेल मी व्हाट आर द नाउन्स हियर. आपको बस नाम देखना है, किसका नाम दिया हुआ है. द गर्ल इज सिंगिंग. व्हाट इज द नेम हियर? द गर्ल. इट्स अ नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन. आई हैव अ पेन. किस चीज़ का नाम मेंशन किया हुआ है? करेक्ट, इट्स अ पेन. द कैट इज स्लीपिंग. व्हाट इज अ नाउन हियर? Cat. We go to school. What is the noun in this sentence? School. This is my bag. What is the noun here? Bag. So these are called as nouns, a name of place, person, animal or thing. Let's go to the next part of speech. That is a pronoun. A pronoun is a replacing word. Now what replacing means? It means that it takes the place of a noun. जो भी आपके नाउन है सेंटेंसेस में नाम है, हम उन नाम को हटा देंगे. वी आर गोइंग टू रिप्लेस देम विद सम अदर वर्ड, शॉर्टर वर्ड्स सच एज ही, शी, इट, दे, आई एक्सेट्रा. जब आप ये वर्ड यूज़ करोगे इंस्टेड ऑफ द नेम ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लेस पर्सन, देन दैट इज कॉल्ड एज प्रोनाउन. सी द एग्जाम्पल्स आर गिवन: आई, ही, शी, इट, दे, आर, यू, दे, हिज, हिम, हर, आवर सेल्फ, योर सेल्फ एक्सेट्रा. Many words are there, you have to go through them. Okay, once you go through all the words then it's easy for you to identify the प्रोनाउन. क्लियर कर लो, प्रोनाउन वो है जो हम नाउन के इंस्टेड में यूज़ करते हैं. फर्स्ट सेंटेंसेस: रिया इज़ माई फ्रेंड, शी इज़ काइंड. देखो, गर्ल का नाम क्या है? रिया, बट हम रिया की जगह पे कौन सा प्रोनाउन यूज़ कर रहे हैं? वी आर यूजिंग शी. दिस इज़ माई बुक, इट इज़ न्यू. चीज़ क्या है हमारी? बुक. इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग बुक वी आर यूजिंग द वर्ड IT, इट. Amit and Ravi are here, they are happy. Instead of using the name Amit and Ravi again, हमने second time में क्या use किए हैं? THEY, they. My mother is a teacher, she is strict. Tell me what is the pronoun here? The pronoun is she. I am ready, I will go now. See, अपना खुद का नाम बताने की जगह what pronoun I have used? I. So the pronoun here is I. Clear? What is a pronoun? A replacing word. Instead of using the noun, we are using a pronoun. Okay, shorter words such as I, he, she, it, they, etc. Let's go for the next part of speech. That is verb. What are verb? Verb are action words. सबसे easy होता है. कोई भी action है, jump, eat, run, go, come, have, has, here, there, I mean come here, go there, जो भी है, come, go, etc. All kinds of actions are called as verbs. A verb is an action word. It tells us what someone is doing. कौन क्या कर रहा है, वो जो word हमें बताता है, that is called a verb. Example: run, eat, read, jump, etc. देखो बहुत easy है. Action दिखी तो वो तुम्हारा verb है. Read the sentences. The boy runs fast. What is the boy doing? क्या कर रहा है वो? Runs. She reads a book. What is she doing? Reads. The baby cries loudly. What is the baby doing? Cries. We play in the park. What do we do? Play. I write neatly. What am I doing, or what am I? Yes, what am I doing? I write. So whatever your action words are, जो भी आप कर रहे हो, जो भी कोई कर रहा है, those are called as verbs. Next part of speech is adjective. An adjective is a describing word. Describing word मतलब आपको वो information देता है कि कोई चीज़ कैसी है. अब किसकी information देता है? तो it describes a noun. Noun के बारे में आपको information देता है. See, I'll give you an example. It is a red apple. Noun क्या है मेरा? Apple. एप्पल कैसा है? रेड. सो ये जो वर्ड है रेड, वो मुझे मेरे एप्पल के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा है, उसे डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है. सो दिस रेड इज़ माई एडजेक्टिव. बिग, रेड, हैप्पी, टॉल, एक्सेट्रा. कोई भी नाउन, कोई भी नाम, चीज़, जगह, इंसान, एनिमल, वो कैसा है, इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर देने के बाद जो वर्ड मिलता है, दैट इज़ योर एडजेक्टिव. आई हैव अ रेड एप्पल. टेल मी, हाउ इज़ द एप्पल? रेड. The big elephant is walking. How is the elephant? Big. She is a kind girl. How is the girl? Kind. The blue sky looks beautiful. How is the sky? Blue. He has a small bag. How is the bag? Small. Understood? So, the question we ask in adjective is how. How is the noun? How is the apple? How is the elephant? Etc. So, these all are called as adjective describing words. Next part of speech is adverb. Now, what is an adverb? Adverb tells us more about action or more about verb. See, difference समझ लो. Adjective क्या होता है? जो हमें noun के बारे में बताता है. And adverb क्या होता है? ये हमें verb के बारे में बताता है. ठीक है? Action के बारे में बताता है. For example, slowly, quickly, happily, etc. And most of them ends with an ly. So देखो, she walks slowly. How does she walks? कैसे चलती है वो? Slowly. The dog runs quickly. How is the dog running? Quickly. He speaks politely. कैसे बात करता है वो? Politely. The baby sleeps peacefully. How the baby sleeps? Peacefully. She sang happily. कैसे गा रही है वो? How is she singing? Happily. So action को describe करने वाला जो भी word होता है, that is called as adverb. Next part of speech is preposition. Now what is a preposition? Position words. It shows the position of a noun. जो भी noun है, जैसे चीज़ है, animal है, या place है, whatever it is there, वो कहाँ है, उसका position कहाँ है, that word is called as preposition. For example, in, on, under, behind, above, between, across, among, near, etc. And the question you are going to ask is, where is it? कहाँ है? Where is it? On the table, in the cupboard, under the table, above the table, near the table, far from the table. Okay, so these all words are called as prepositions. Now tell me the answers. The cat is under the table. Where is the cat? Under. The book is on the desk. Where is the book? On the desk. The ball is in the box. Where is the ball? In the box. The bag is near the chair. Where is the bag? Near. The dog is behind the tree. Where is the dog? Behind. Okay, so you have to ask the question, where is it? And the answer you are going to get is your preposition. Let's go towards the next part of speech, that is conjunction. This is my favorite, okay, because it's the easiest one. A conjunction is a joining word. It joins a word or a sentence. दो word है, दो sentences है, उनको बीच में join करता है, like a glue, is called as a conjunction. The words are and, but, or, because, since, therefore, etc. बहुत easy है. देखो, I'll read the question and you will understand. I like tea and milk. I like tea और आगे क्या है? Milk. दोनों को किसने join किया है? And. So your conjunction is and. She is small but strong. She is small is your one sentence and strong is the further one. So what is joining both of them? But. Do you want an apple or a banana? What is your conjunction here? Or. He is late because it rained. देखो, he is late एक part है, it rained दूसरा part है, दोनों को कौन join कर रहा है? Because. I tried hard and I won. I tried hard एक part है, I won is the other part. What word is joining both of them? That is and. So these are called as conjunction. Glue होता है गम, ग्लू, दो चीज़ों को ज्वाइन करता है, दो सेंटेंसेस के पार्ट्स को ज्वाइन करता है, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड एज कंजक्शन. Next one is interjection. Again, the easiest one. Interjection is the feeling words. It shows sudden feeling. Easiest पहचानने का trick है. It's a feeling and it has an exclamatory mark. Sentence के word के पास आपको ऐसा एक exclamatory mark दिखेगा. Then it is your interjection. Wow, oh, hooray, etc. कोई भी बड़ी सी exaggerated feeling है और उसके आगे exclamatory mark है तो that is your interjection. Now tell me the answers. Wow, this is amazing. What is your interjection? Where is the exclamatory mark? Wow. Oh, I forgot my book. What is your interjection? Oh, hooray, we won the match. कहाँ है exclamatory mark? Hooray. Oops, I dropped the pen. What is your interjection here? Oops. Ah, I feel better now. What is your interjection? Ah. So, interjection are the words that have exclamatory mark and it shows an exaggerated feeling. And that's it for all your parts of speeches. So your 8 parts of speeches are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. I hope you all have understood the lesson. If you have liked the video and the lecture, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Take care.